Hey, what up guys? Cyborg ST here. So, my intake is finally here. Let me give you a little bit of a backstory. I originally had the Steeda intake, which you guys are aware of. I didn't really like it. There's a couple things that I'll get into later during the installation video, explaining as to why I didn't like it. But long story short, nothing against Steeda. It just didn't really flow with my car. So I decided to order the aFe Takeda intake for the Focus ST, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing video for you guys so you can see everything that comes with it. Alright, so here we go. So here we have the aFe Takeda intake and all the parts that came with it. I already took out all the packing, so sorry if you like to look at packing. Anyway, they included 2 of these diesel calendars for 2018. I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, thank you, aFe. I gotta find out what aFe stands for. I'm not sure. It sounds like it stands for like American something. They included these decals, what looks like some hardware over there in the corner for this license plate holder. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, and this right here is actually something I ordered separately. This is the cover for the intake itself. So let me open this here. Nope, it's in there pretty good. Okay, actually no, I'm sorry. That is actually the filter for the intake. Alright, so here's an elbow. Alright. Some couplers, more hardware, another license plate holder thingy with some more decals. Man, they're really, aFe is really up on their logo game. This is the intake cover that I ordered separately. I just threw it in the box with this. So this actually attaches and goes over the intake. It looks really cool. It's like flow formed. It's really nice. In my opinion, this is one of the better looking intakes available for the Focus ST. This is some of the rubber seal that is supposed to go between the intake shroud and the bottom of the hood. This is the big intake arm right here. So it's got the logo, Takeda, I'm not really sure how to say that. And this is the shroud. So let's unwrap all of this and give you guys a closer look. Alright. What's up guys, I'm back. So as you can see here, aFe Takeda, I'm not really sure how I pronounce that, sorry if I'm messing it up. But as you can see, I have the full intake system here. They include what looks like to be everything. Got the instruction manual here, got some cool decals, license plate holder. We've got the filter, which is, this is the, I thought it was supposed to be the dry flow filter, but this is actually the oiled filter. That's cool. I'm not particular about that. It's fine. It'll filter out debris, and that's exactly what I needed to do. Here we have the intake arm, which is nice and polished and smooth inside. That's one difference than the Steeda intake. The Steeda was not polished on the inside. And we have the PCV valve bung here. And I'm going to talk about exactly why this PCV valve bung is extremely important a little bit later on in the video. Just take note of that. Everything's mandrel bent. It looks great. The finish is this matte black, kind of rough finish. And it comes with the Takeda logo already on it. Here we have the hardware. the seal. This is the other part of the intake. I think this part goes down to the actual filter, and that might be where I install the map sensor right there. I'm sorry, the intake air temperature sensor. As I've shown you before, this is the actual cover. I love the way this looks. It's flow formed. It sits nice and flush in the engine bay, so it's going to look really good. Here are the couplers that they give you. You know, just standard, you know, quality looking couplers. I don't think we'll have problems with those. And then here's the actual intake box, if you want to call it that. I believe it sits something like this right here, maybe in the engine bay. I'm not really sure. Something like that. Sits kind of just like that in the engine bay, I think. So yeah, guys, and there's some more hardware in there. But that's pretty much everything that's in the box. Looks super good. Looks like a very quality product. I can't wait. Last thing I wanted to mention was I went with the Takeda, the aFe Takeda intake, because it is apparently the most power producing intake available for the Focus ST. They have a dyno chart on their website, but they also have a dyno video where they dyno before and after on a stock Focus ST, and it gained 13 wheel horsepower and 13 wheel foot-pound of torque. So, you know, I know that with power mods, you don't just add power linearly. I understand it's a whole process and you have to have the whole complete system to reap the power benefits. However, if it can add that much power to a stock Focus, it should be able to add that much or more to a modded Focus. So hopefully, you know, it turns out the way I want it to. The parts look great so far, and I hope to see what happens. So stick around for the install video. All right, guys, thanks.